Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a winter wood round. So come on with me, guys. Now the wood round itself did come from the Dollar Tree, and then we have that bow, and I believe I got that at Hobby Lobby. The apple barrel paint, I did get that from Walmart. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesdays, and this is being hosted by DIY with Aria and Loli's Creations. So if you guys haven't been over to their channels, please head on over there. These guys are amazing creators. So I'm going to be making, as I said before, a winter craft. And I thought this would be great on one of my doors. And I love these colors. Perfect. So, of course, I'm going to start out here by painting, and I absolutely love this color green. I do believe it's called ivy green. It's beautiful, guys, and it dries matte finish, so I'm loving it. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I'm going to be linking those down below in the description box. So we're done with the green board, so we have to leave that dry. Now we're going to start with the bow. And since I wanted to stay with that green and that white, the bow is going to be white. We're going to go ahead and paint this, and we'll move on to the next step. So I cut this tree off from one of the Dollar Tree paper bags. I absolutely loved it. I didn't have time to show it because I had already cut out the trees. But we're gonna go ahead and use Mod Podge, which the Dollar Tree sells. Like I said, the paper bags are great for DIYs, and they also carry the Mod Podge. So we're gonna go ahead and decoupage this to the wood round and move on to the next step. So I did want to take a moment and wish everyone a beautiful day with their family and friends celebrating Christmas. Remember that Jesus is the reason for the season. Now, didn't that look absolutely amazing, guys? I am loving it. So we're just cutting off the little excess that came over the wood piece, and look how beautiful that looks. Let's continue. Now, I did find a bless sign in my stash, and I wanted to incorporate it in this wood round. So, you know, I'm going to move stuff around until I figure out the placement. But first, we're going to go ahead and glue that white wooden bow. So while I move this around like a million times trying to find the proper placement, I always decide to leave it in the video because this is real life crafting, guys. Now I had some beautiful velvet ribbon in a beautiful green color, so I decided to go ahead and make a smaller bow for the bottom of the tree, and so that's what I did. Now, doesn't this look beautiful, guys? We're going to get ready and head on over to the reveal. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.